I grabbed these bowls from Dollar Tree. I got 4 of them, and I got these little lights. We're gonna see what we can hook up to go in the yard as a Christmas decoration, ornament, or whatever you want to call it. So what I'm gonna do is basically glue these 2 bowls together with a hot glue gun. They do quite a few things. You can make them go fast like that, or they go a little slow, and then this is steady. But they ain't gonna last that long, so it's better to have them when you can turn them off and turn them on for whenever you want to have them on. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's a quick little cheap little yard ornament, and it only costs what, $2 for the bowls, because they're, well, $2.50 because they're $1.25 a piece, and then $2.50 for 2 packs of lights. I'm gonna be doing 2 of these, so altogether 4 bowls and 4 packs of lights. And I'm going to use glue sticks to glue my hot glue gun and the glue sticks to glue the bowls together. So I'll be right back. This is a pretty simple little DIY project for the yard. Decided to just let the little switch hang out before I glue this together. So I'm going to position these in here, get them taped in with some clear tape, and I'm going to leave the little switch out. Use my hot glue gun, and I just kind of glued it. I'm gonna let it set for a little bit, and I'll be back. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. Okay, y'all, so this is what they look like so far. I might leave them just like that and put them outside, but something's telling me they need just something else. What do y'all think I should do? Should I do a little light spray paint on them, or leave them as is? Y'all let me know. For today, they're going to be left as is, but by tomorrow, something else may happen to them. I may trick them out some other way. Guys, this is how they look in my yard. They'll look a lot different once the motion light cuts off. Matter of fact, let me get out of this area and you guys can see them without motion light. And it's not 100% dark out here yet, but it's getting there. And I just put them in an area that I wasn't planning on putting anything over here, but we'll see. It may not even end up staying there. They are nice, y'all. And again, for 1 ball, it took 2 bowls, so $2.50, and then 2 packs of lights, so another $2.50. So like $5 a piece to make these gorgeous yard ornaments. Hey y'all, this is how they look without the motion light being on. You can still see them. They're so cute. I love it.